What happens when you start eating dates every day? Dates, scientifically known as Phoenix dactylifera, are the fruits of date palm trees, which have been cultivated for thousands of years in various regions across the globe. These delicious and nutrient-rich fruits boast a unique combination of sweetness and health benefits, making them a favorite among many cultures for both culinary and medicinal purposes. But before we continue, it is important to note that all the information presented in this video is supported by scientific evidence and has been verified, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals to ensure impartiality and accuracy. Dates come in various shapes, sizes, and colors ranging from amber, golden, to dark brown. Their soft and chewy texture is perfect for snacking, baking, or adding a natural sweetener to your favorite dishes. These little fruits may be small, but they are packed with a ton of goodness. Here are the top 10 health benefits of dates. Number 1. Heart health. Studies suggest that dates may help lower LDL cholesterol levels, commonly known as bad cholesterol. High levels of LDL cholesterol can contribute to the formation of plaque in arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. The soluble fiber in dates may help reduce the absorption of cholesterol in the gut, supporting overall heart health. Dates are an excellent source of potassium, a vital mineral that plays a crucial role in heart function. Potassium helps regulate heart rate and blood pressure, promoting a healthy cardiovascular system. Adequate potassium intake has been linked to a reduced risk of stroke and other cardiovascular diseases. Magnesium, another essential mineral found in dates, also contributes to heart health. It helps relax blood vessels, which can lead to improved blood flow and reduced blood pressure. Maintaining optimal magnesium levels is associated with a lower risk of heart attacks and other heart-related issues. Number 2. Brain health. Dates offer several nutrients that support brain health and cognitive function, making them a brain-friendly addition to your diet. Dates are a good source of vitamin B6, which plays a vital role in brain development and function. Vitamin B6 is involved in the production of neurotransmitters, such as serotonin and dopamine, which regulate mood and emotions. Dates are rich in antioxidants. These compounds help protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can contribute to cognitive decline and neurological disorders. Potassium, another essential nutrient found in dates, helps support proper nerve function. It aids in maintaining the electrical conductivity of the brain, allowing nerve impulses to transmit efficiently. The fiber in dates supports a healthy gut, and emerging research suggests a potential link between gut health and brain health. A healthy gut microbiome may positively influence brain function and mood. Dates contain the amino acid tryptophan, which can promote better sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for brain health as it allows the brain to rest, consolidate memories, and perform essential repair processes. Number 3. Bone health. Dates contain several nutrients that contribute to bone health and may help in maintaining strong and healthy bones. While dates are not as high in calcium as dairy products, they do contain a reasonable amount of this essential mineral. Calcium is crucial for maintaining bone density and strength. Adequate calcium intake throughout life is essential for reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures, especially as we age. Dates are a good source of phosphorus, another mineral vital for bone health. Phosphorus works in conjunction with calcium to form hydroxyapatite, which is a key component of bones and teeth. As mentioned earlier, dates are rich in magnesium. This mineral plays a role in bone formation and helps regulate the activity of osteoblasts and osteoclasts, which are cells responsible for building and breaking down bone tissue. Dates contain vitamin K, which is essential for proper bone mineralization and contributes to bone health. Vitamin K plays a role in the synthesis of osteocalcin, a protein that helps bind calcium to the bone matrix. Dates also provide some silicon, a trace mineral that may support bone health by increasing bone mineral density and improving bone strength. Including dates as part of a well-balanced diet can contribute to overall bone health and support bone density. Number 4. Improved digestion. Dates are rich in dietary fiber, making them beneficial for promoting healthy digestion and supporting gastrointestinal health. Dates are an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber absorbs water in the digestive tract, forming a gel-like substance that helps soften stool and aids in preventing constipation. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to the stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing digestive issues. Including dates in your diet can help regulate bowel movements and promote regularity. This is especially helpful for individuals who struggle with occasional constipation or irregularity. Emerging research suggests that the fiber and nutrients in dates may positively influence the gut microbiome, the diverse community of microorganisms living in the digestive tract. A healthy gut microbiome is associated with improved digestion, better nutrient absorption, and overall well-being. The fiber in dates may help reduce bloating and gas by promoting better digestion and keeping the gastrointestinal tract functioning optimally. Incorporating dates into your diet, along with a variety of other fiber-rich foods, can support a healthy digestive system. Number 5. High in fiber. Dates are a rich source of dietary fiber, providing several health benefits due to their fiber content. Fiber can slow down the absorption of sugar, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. This can be especially beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to manage their blood sugar levels. High-fiber foods like dates tend to be more filling, promoting a sense of fullness and satiety. Including fiber-rich foods in your diet can help control appetite and prevent overeating, which may contribute to weight management. Adequate fiber intake is linked to a lower risk of developing certain gastrointestinal conditions, including diverticular disease and colorectal cancer. As part of a balanced diet, fiber-rich foods like dates can aid in weight loss efforts by keeping you feeling fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of snacking on less healthy options. If you're enjoying this video so far and learning about the incredible benefits of date fruits, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let us know you're loving it. Your support means the world to us. And hey, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. We've got a lot more exciting and informative content coming your way. Alright, now that we've got that out of the way, let's continue our journey through the fantastic benefits of date fruits. Coming up next is benefit number 6, and trust me, it's going to be a game changer for your health. Number 6. Natural Energy Booster. Dates are a natural source of energy, thanks to their unique combination of natural sugars and other nutrients that provide a quick and sustained boost of vitality. Dates are naturally sweet and contain various types of sugars such as glucose, fructose, and sucrose. These sugars are simple carbohydrates that are easily digested and absorbed by the body, providing a rapid source of energy. Due to their high sugar content, dates can be a great snack choice for a quick energy boost, especially during activities that require immediate fuel, such as workouts or sports. Unlike refined sugars found in many processed foods, the natural sugars in dates are accompanied by fiber and other nutrients. This combination slows down the absorption of sugars, providing a more sustained and stable release of energy over time. In addition to sugars, dates are rich in essential vitamins and minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6. These nutrients play crucial roles in energy metabolism and the production of adenosine triphosphate, the primary molecule that stores and releases energy in our cells. Many athletes and fitness enthusiasts incorporate dates into their pre-workout routine to provide a quick source of energy for optimal performance during exercise. Consuming dates in moderation can help provide satiety and prevent excessive snacking on less healthy, high-calorie options, promoting energy balance and overall well-being. Number 7. Rich in nutrients. Dates are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, making them a nutrient-dense addition to your diet. Dates are an excellent source of potassium, a crucial mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining proper heart function, muscle contractions, and nerve impulses. Dates are rich in magnesium, an essential mineral that contributes to various bodily functions, including energy production, muscle and nerve function, and bone health. Dates provide a significant amount of vitamin B6, which is involved in numerous enzymatic reactions in the body, supporting metabolism, brain health, and hormone regulation. Dates contain iron, a mineral necessary for the production of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body. In addition to vitamin B6, dates contain other B-complex vitamins, such as thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and folate, which are essential for energy metabolism and overall health. Incorporating dates into your diet allows you to enjoy a natural and delicious way to boost your nutrient intake. They make for a versatile addition to a wide range of dishes, from smoothies and desserts to savory recipes and energy bars. Number 8. Natural Sweetener. Dates can serve as a natural and healthier alternative to refined sugar in various dishes and desserts. Dates are naturally sweet due to their natural sugar content, including fructose, glucose, and sucrose. Their sweetness makes them a delightful addition to recipes without the need for added sugars. Unlike refined sugars, which are stripped of their nutrients during processing, dates are whole foods that provide additional vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber along with their sweetness. Dates have a lower glycemic index compared to many refined sugars, meaning they cause a slower and steadier rise in blood sugar levels. This can be beneficial for individuals looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Incorporating dates as a natural sweetener allows you to enjoy sweet treats without the guilt associated with consuming refined sugars. As with any sweetener, whether natural or refined, it's essential to consume dates in moderation as part of a balanced diet. While dates offer additional nutrients and dietary fiber, they are still calorie-dense due to their sugar content. If you're considering using dates as a natural sweetener, experiment with different forms and recipes to find what works best for your taste preferences. Number 9. Anti-inflammatory. Dates contain various phenolic compounds, including flavonoids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, contributing to the body's inflammatory response. Dates also contain tannins, which have anti-inflammatory effects. Tannins can help reduce inflammation and may be beneficial for individuals dealing with conditions related to chronic inflammation. The fiber in dates supports a healthy gut, and emerging research suggests a potential link between gut health and inflammation. A healthy gut microbiome may help modulate the body's inflammatory response. The vitamins and minerals present in dates, such as vitamin C, vitamin A, and potassium, also play roles in supporting the immune system and reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is associated with conditions like arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties of dates may potentially support joint health and provide relief for individuals with inflammatory joint conditions. A diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods, including dates, can contribute to overall wellness and may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases associated with inflammation. Number 10. Antioxidant properties. Dates are rich in antioxidants, which are compounds that help protect the body's cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by harmful free radicals. These antioxidants play a vital role in maintaining overall health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to various diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and aging. Antioxidants in dates neutralize these free radicals, preventing or minimizing their harmful effects. Dates contain vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports the immune system and promotes healthy skin. Dates contain carotenoids, such as beta-carotene and lutein, which are important for eye health and overall antioxidant defense. A diet rich in antioxidants, including those found in dates, has been linked to improved longevity and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Incorporating dates into your diet can provide a delicious way to boost your antioxidant intake and protect your body from cellular damage. A varied and balanced diet that includes a wide range of antioxidant-rich foods is essential for reaping the full benefits of these powerful compounds. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey through the top 10 amazing benefits of dates. We hope you've learned something new and exciting about these delicious fruits. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.